So Notion is at it again, and they have added a new really cool feature that I did not know I needed, but now I cannot live without it already. So basically what you can do now is you can add conditional color to your databases. So here you go to the selector, and then you go to conditional color, and then you create a new color setting. For example, by status. And as you can see, isn't that cool? Like, because this tag is gray, the whole line is gray. Because this is blue, in progress is blue, the whole line is blue. It just lets you see at a glance what is what. And then if we go to Kanban board, we can also apply conditional formatting here. So first of all, of course, we already are coloring the columns. So you can see, I think it's in layout, color columns is toggled on. But in addition to that, we can go to conditional color, new color setting, status, and then even the cards will also be colored as well. But maybe that doesn't make sense. Let's color them by priority because it makes a bit more sense. So conditional color, and then we remove this, and then we add a new color setting by priority. And so everything that is high priority is red now, and then everything that's medium is yellow. Another cool thing is what we can do is conditional color, delete that, select due date, and then color the cards in red if the due date is before, and then here, click here in the selector, and then before today. So these are all of the overdue tasks. So if I go here and I select, this is tomorrow, this task is not overdue, but all of these tasks are overdue because the date is before today. So that's another use case. You can play around with it. There are so many options. You can try, I'm still playing around with it myself. By estimated hours, you can also color the cards by channel, by campaign. Yeah, so many options, but I think it's really cool.